Hello, let's roll your mat and practice with me today. I'm gonna do something to feel so much better at the end of this video. Begin softly tapping over your heart. Make a soft sound of awe and drop your jaw when you do that to release all the tension and have the body in a calm position to get ready for the rest of the video. And notice your breath, notice your body. Wrap your arms around yourself. Take a deep inhale and slow exhale. You deserve this kindness. Just be here at this moment. Show yourself some love, some kind, some respect. Do not judge yourself. Thanks yourself for being here and having some time for yourself, only for yourself today. Bring your hands in front of your body. Inhale and back to your next side of your body. Exhale. We're gonna follow the energy in entire your body. Then up to the sky. Inhale back to the body. Exhale. Keep doing that. You're doing great. Bring sort of your feet together. Sit tall. Practice a gentle Kapalabhati for 20 seconds. If you feel dizziness or if you practice pregnant, you may skip this breathing. Let inhale happen naturally and exhale out sharply from your nose. Then drop your head between your legs. Relax your neck and jaw. Allow your body to soften with every exhale. Do it as much as your body allows you. Always listen to your body. Sometimes when our mind is really busy, we cannot do some practice, but today we're going to calm our mind so our body will be more flexible. Then going to the Pigeon Pose. If that feels comfortable, bring your head down. You can use a pillow under your hip to support for balance. Make sure your hips are square. If you feel pain at some point, you may change your position to find your balance better. We're gonna have some nice stretch, not force, not pain. But if you feel tension, those are the part of the body you've been holding stress for a long time, and today is the time to release them. You do not need them anymore. Let's switch the side. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. This practice really calm your physical body, your mind, and helps you to flow the energy into your body and bring you the energy and calmness at the same time. Back to the center when you're ready, going to the downward dog. Gently pedal your feet and get ready for a low lunge. Front knee 90 degrees. Stretch back your right leg. Hands up to the sky or next to your body, whenever it feels comfortable for you. And then bring the hands down to get ready for the twist. Place your hands at the center of your heart. Twist to the left side. We're looking at one point. It will help you to keep your balance. So find your balance and be here as much as your body allows you. Back to center. We're going to switch the side and repeat the same process for the other side. Going to downward dog to bring the other leg front in 90 degrees. Just keep breathing and try to stay here for a few seconds. And it's time to bring your hands down at the center of your heart and twist your upper body to the right side. You're doing great. Keep going. Be here at this moment. Lengthen through your spine. And then gently twist. At this video, we're trying to release all the tension from the body that you're holding for a long time. Flow the energy, relax our mind, and why not? There is a practice that helps you to all of this all together, and that would be perfect to help us to get more energy. Going to Malasana or squat. Move with your breath. We're going to the side lunge. Stretch one leg next to your body. Keep breathing. Inhale to your nose, exhale to your mouth, and it's time to stretch your leg next to your body as much as you can. You can place your hand on the mat or at the center of your heart, whichever helps you to keep your balance. And then you're getting ready for the stretch your hands to the sky. Right one on the mat, left side upside to the sky, and your eye to the finger of your left hand. Back to the center. Try the same process for the opposite side. Find your balance first and try to stay here and have some few breathing. Now it's time to have your right arm up to the sky. After the end of the video, you may some tension in your legs if you've holding stress for a long time in that area, but that's okay. They are releasing is a good news. Just let them go. Do not get drowned in them. And sit in hero pose and return to natural rhythm. Come back to easy pose. Moving slow inhale and exhale. I'm gonna show you two kind of nostril breathing if you wanna keep this energy and take it into the rest of your day. Close right nostril, inhale from left side, and then close left side, inhale from right side. But if you need to relax your body and get ready for the sleep, inhale from right nostril, close left side, and then exhale from the left, close right side. Right side, bring you energy. Left side, bring you calmness and get you ready for the sleep. I hope this video to feel so much better. Thank you for practicing with me. Wow, I feel so much better. Seriously, I'm all sweating and all the tension has been released. I hope you feel the same way. Do not forget to subscribe and thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.